Ooh, coming to the United States, dollar and Canadian dollars. Oh my god. Look at my eyes. Said it there. Tell me you dared. $500 already. Wow. Thank you, darling. Oh my god. I mean, don't let anyone to fool you and to say, to try to sell you the place in my Telegram private group, because that's absolutely for free. And I'm betting $90 right here. I'm going for short. We are in the overbought zone. And I mean, CCI is kind of moving to the middle zone. And we are exiting the overbought zone. But there was a strong bullish trend. But right now, no. There we go. $82 of profit. What we have here. Let me draw a trend line right here. It's gonna go that way. So what I believe right now that the candle is gonna come back to the trend line that I drew, and at the same time the upper trend still pointing downward, and the price just cannot stabilize above the channel's midline, and you know it kind of acts like the resistance level. So it just all the time the price just hits that line and comes down, and this is what is going to be happening right now, as I believe. Let's see. Look at my eyes. Said it there. Tell me you dared. Like 2 seconds more and we could have lost it. Literally, we could have lost it. But that's fine, you know. Coming to United States, dollar and Canadian dollars. Oh my god. I mean, there is a strong downtrend for the dollar, and CCI shows more room to fall. And I'm having here 170. I mean, vortex and indicators, they align for downward move, and I'm gonna trust them because they are my friends during the session. You know, I have no friends besides these indicators, but it's kind of sad though. Nice. $500 already. Wow. Just to be able to explain you more clearly, let me just throw a parallel right here. You know, there is a small uptrend. There is a small upward trend is forming. Betting 240 right here. You know, and the price found support at the super trend line, and vortex as well as CCI, they just confirming upward movement. Don't even be stressed because of the red candle that we have right now, because it's just touching, or it may be crossing the super trend line, but anyway, it must be bouncing off to the longer position. You just gotta go long, gotta go up. But I'm just the only thing that I'm afraid of is time in the last 5 seconds, and making me stressing and sweating my 1 point for 55 seconds. But okay, nice. $220 of profit. You know, we're just going high and high, and CCI has some move right there. Super trend confirms it. $300 for long. Oh my god, hilarious entry point. Couldn't have been better. Thank you, darling. Oh my god. $543, which is from which $243 dollars is our profit. Ooh. Guys, we do have the same situation where the support trend acts like a support line right here. So let me put $450. I want to get big. As well as Vortex and the Don Chain, they are confirming upward trend. They're confirming that. So we kind of entering the bet from support. Why? I mean, the market and the price always does that to me. Before the trade, the time ends, I would like to inform you and invite you once more to my Telegram private group. Because guys, I've already told you the main reason why I'm inviting you right there. I'm helping people out. I'm assisting you in order to become successful. And it does not really matter if you're a professional or a beginner. I am sharing my experience right there with you. And each experience is unique. So that would be perfect if you manage to learn from it. And you're supposed to manage, you know. 1 second. Here we go. $1,086, guys. I mean, I made it from $150. So this is another experience that I'm going to be sharing in the Telegram private group. And I'm sharing that as a video. So you have the opportunity to learn from it. To get something useful for yourself, you know. So do not forget to join there. The link is going to be below in the description. And do not forget to leave a like on my YouTube channel. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So thank you for watching. Have a great everything. And arrivederci.